Hi, I'm Dr. Zachowski at ALO Health. Hiccups are more than just a funny interruption. They actually have a medical explanation. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, which is the big muscle under your rib cage which helps you breathe, contracts suddenly. And this causes the vocal cords to engage, producing that hiccup sound. There are many common triggers for hiccups. These can include eating or drinking too fast, carbonated beverages, spicy foods, or even just temperature changes to your stomach. The good news is most cases of hiccups are harmless and will go away on their own. But if you do have a case of hiccups lasting more than 48 hours, it's time to see your provider. If somebody is concerned about their hiccups and they want to have that evaluated more completely, ALO Health is a great resource in this community. We offer same-day appointments, evening hours most days of the week, and even extended hours on the weekends. We offer online booking to make it easy for you to get in with your provider.